how to turn on keyboard light on any laptop. So guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I'll show you that how you can turn on the keyboard light on your any laptop. So let's get started. So basically it depends on your manufacturer. Like on the manufacturer settings, you will get many shortcut options to turn on the keyboard light. So let me show you that. So basically we need to use shortcut key to on the keyboard lights. So on the HP, you'll have to press function plus F5 or function plus F4. And on the Dell, you'll have to press function plus F10 or function plus right arrow. And for the Lenovo, you'll have to press function plus spacebar. And for the Asus, you'll have to press function plus F3 or F4 or function plus F7. And for the Acer, you'll have to press function plus F8 or function plus F9. So on the MSI, you have to press shortcut key like function plus F3. And for the MacBook, you have to press F5 to decrease and F6 to increase. In my case, my laptop manufacturer is Hawaii. So as you can see on my Hawaii laptop, I get the option to turn on the backlight from the function 3 keyboard. So I am simply tapping on the function 3. So look, I get the 3 option to turn on the keyboard backlight. So likewise, you can also turn on the keyboard backlight on your laptop. So I will give you these details on the comment section below. So if any queries arises, just let me know in the comment section below. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give a big thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.